Hello everyone and welcome back to Bear Grylls Wilderness.
Yeah, I'm kidding, guys. Welcome back. This is Doomsday33. I'm back here with another video. Today we're going to be doing a bit of free running through the woods. Trying to stay clear of poison ivy. That's a lot of poison ivy. Jeez. Might be harder than I expected. Once I get back there, I should be good though. I know where I'm headed. I don't know if it'll be free running, more like free walking, just so I can dodge the poison ivy. But you know, yeah. Okay. Shouldn't be too much poison ivy around here. Should be getting out of it now. There we go. See, guys, now we're out of the poison ivy. Well, there's a bit more sometimes. Yeah. Anyway, welcome back. Another video, as you can tell today. Well, maybe, I don't know if you can tell yet, but I'm using a GoPro instead of my phone. So, yeah. Can't quite call this a vlog, but maybe you could. Be the fucking Jake Paulers and just get your vlog belt on. Kidding, please. Yeah, this is something I built about 6 or 7 years ago. Yeah, kind of died. Freaking tree fort. And there's something we would always go back to, me and my brother and my sister, that we would like to call the pit. It was a big pit with it wasn't really much, but there was like a fallen tree in it and a couple of fallen trees and rocks. And we would just kind of free run through it and stuff, do free running. I don't know if you guys know what free running is. Hoping you guys know what parkour is, but free running is the same concept of parkour. But, yeah. Small trail back here, the pit's right ahead, right up here. So, and yeah, so I come down here this year. I haven't came down here in about 2 years from before the last time I came down here. And I don't know if it's still the same. Yes, it is. Look at that. This is the pit right here. This is what we would run around and mess around. Now it's full of water. There's also a broken down car somewhere over there, but I don't know where exactly. But yeah. This is the pit. This is where we'd free run. You can kind of see the log that we'd go over. I think it's slightly gone. I will say though, this is about 3-4 feet at the edges because it kind of had a dip down in the pit. But yeah, so anyway. So there was this pit spot. About in the middle, it's about 7-8 feet down. Me and my brother actually tried going through it, and then it went over our heads. So yeah. And I'm 6'2". And funny is I'm almost 6'2", actually. Actually only 6'1" and 3 inches, but yeah. And so yeah. But I went through it and it started just going right over my head. There's a lot of nature and stuff. And nature, ? Don't ask. Yeah, I don't really much know where I'm going right now. I'm just walking around here, pretty much I'm free running, so let's run. Kidding, no. Running isn't fun unless you have to. You're gonna run the damn mile for gym or something. Then I see why you want a free run, but then otherwise, yeah. No. Car should be right around here somewhere. Unless they got it removed, I don't think they did. I think this was actually where the car was, right here. Some destroyed bug. Like the car type, the bug. There was one right over here. Actually, wait a sec. I think actually the bug is right under all. Yeah, that is. That's a car right there, guys. It doesn't look like it, but it is. It's covered in stuff, yeah. Let me give you a closer look. I know the camera seems kind of zoomed out, only because I just got this GoPro and I have no idea how to zoom something in yet. But I do not want to go in here too far because of ticks and snakes. It's nice because I'm not allergic to poison ivy, but everyone else in my family is. So I gotta still be careful around it. I don't want to get on me, and I wouldn't get it, but they would if they touched any of my stuff. But yeah, hello. Just got attacked. Okay, tick check. Got just a bit of the. Good thing I'm good. No, we're good. Okay, let's go for a slight jog. I'm gonna cut across right here, somewhere around here. I don't know what all this crap about like other YouTubers is that's going around, like James Charles. I don't even know who the hell that is really, but you know, everyone's saying he's such a bad guy. He's trans. I don't believe in being transgender, gay, bisexual, lesbian, anything like that. Bi. I think I already said bisexual, but yeah. I don't believe in that stuff because, yes, I am a Christian, and I don't believe that freaking God put us on earth to literally marry our same gender. Some people believe that humans used to have 4 eyes, 4 hands, 4 legs. Actually, no. Yeah, 4 eyes, 4 hands, 4 legs, 20 fingers, 20 toes. So on, 2 chests, and they believe that half of you was a girl, half of you was a boy, and then when Jesus came to earth, they split off, and pretty much your soulmate is the other gender. See, I don't know if that's something from God that might have actually happened, but I am also not sure at the exact same time. Okay, this is where I want to be, isn't it? Yep, this is it. This is, when I built this, I built kind of a fighting arena with weapons and stuff, but, you know, I carved out knives, swords, and I made some kind of hammer thing out of our rock and stuff. Actually, I want to go show you my brother's fort. He's been working on this thing for a while, and I feel like he done a pretty dang good job on it. Actually, I think it might be taken down, but, you know, yeah. All I used was a tarp and a piece of rope. And he dug out a hole in the ground. Actually, it's inside of a hill, but yeah. Crap. I'm never gonna find my way through this. It's like a stupid jungle in here. Jesus. Okay, maybe I'll show you guys that in a different video. I might be doing a lot more of these videos, and I don't think this will actually be uploaded till a while after I make this video. So I want to tell you guys, this video is being filmed on, oh gosh, give me a second. I think it's June 3rd today. 2019. June 3rd, 2019, yeah. I don't think I told you much about myself. I'll tell you a couple things. So, I like playing video games. I play this game called Rust. I play Fortnite. I know every one of you pretty much has probably heard of the game Fortnite, but you know, yeah. Fortnite's just a big game in general. And yeah, so, oh shoot, I gotta go down there. Crap, I gotta go back further now. I messed up my route, but you know, yeah, sorry guys. Yeah. I like hanging out with friends. I do have a girlfriend. I'm just not gonna say her name at this moment in time. I don't know if I feel comfortable hating it, because I know I have some of my friends watching it, and my friend doesn't really know. I know it's weird, but we're trying to keep me and her a secret. And I know a lot of my friends watch some of my videos, so yeah. And yeah, guys, so I have a girlfriend. As I said, I'm not stating her name. So one of my dogs, he died this week. I feel really bad about it. He actually died yesterday. And yeah, I haven't really done any sellouts this video because, you know, I don't really need to. I'm not on YouTube making YouTube videos for the money, making for the enjoyment of making you guys enjoy. Jesus Christ, I don't know how to say it, but you know, yeah. So yeah, so random stuff about me. I can run a mile in 7 minutes 12 seconds. Play basketball. Like basketball, actually. It's probably a sport that I'm looking into going farther into, but I just have to practice a lot. Pretty good, but you know, yeah. I have an older brother, I have a younger sister and older sister. One of them moved out, and yeah. So, okay, you know what, just because. Okay, if you guys are new to this channel and haven't clicked that red button, if it's still red, you haven't clicked it, so click it. And once you click it, click the bell for more videos. I know I don't upload much, but I upload enough to. I don't upload daily, but I think I upload enough for you guys to get notifications. Yeah, it's fort's right back here, but I don't feel like going back there at the moment. But yeah. I think my brother's actually back there right now. Oh, yep, I can see him. Oh, he just stuck behind a tree. I think he's trying to hide from me. I think I should make a run for it. Make sure to leave a like on this video, guys. I will be probably recording a video the next day. It might not be uploaded for a while once again because, you know, my computer, my internet's been extremely slow. Yep, there he is. Let's go. Just gonna run there today, actually. You know, I'm gonna leave it off here. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment that you subscribed and liked, and just comment some random facts about yourself that you want other people to know. It doesn't have to be super private. Please don't put your credit card number, credit card password, or social security number on there. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Yep. Forrest.